Hey everyone, in today's video I'm super excited to be showing you the best way you guys can download and install this basically Monopoly Go hack of some sort to get an unlimited amount of dice rolls for completely free on all of your accounts on Monopoly Go. Basically this will work on all Android and iOS devices regardless if you have a newer device or an older device. It really does not matter. All that's important is that you follow all those steps all the way through. Watch the video until the end because I will be mentioning some steps you guys cannot miss out on. Even if you do miss out on them, just go ahead and go back to the video and make sure you do the crucial steps. So basically, without me further yapping and talking a lot more about this, let me go ahead and get into the tutorial and show you how this tutorial will look like and basically how you can get unlimited dice rolls on all Android and iOS devices. So let's get straight to the video, everybody. Everybody, so as you can see, I do have Monopoly Go opened up on my phone right here. I will be showing you this full process on my iOS device, but don't worry, as I said, this will work on any Android and iOS device. Now, the reason that I have this menu opened up is all you have to do is remember your username right here. Once you remember your username, go ahead and go into the shop, and I'm going to show you that I have basically an unlimited amount of dice rolls and money for absolutely free. I have 100,000 dice rolls and basically 1 billion money that has been added to my account completely for free, only by doing the steps that I'll be showcasing in today's video. So let me go ahead and get more dice rolls and show you how the process looks like. So I'm gonna go ahead and close Monopoly Go and basically just show you how this will look like. I'm gonna go ahead and open up any browser that you guys have on your phone, and in the search bar go ahead and type in dicebot.cc. Make sure you're spelling out this site out correctly, guys. That's dicebot.cc. Once you're on this site, there are a few things to mention. Now, the first thing is that this is why I told you to remember your username. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my own username right here. Make sure you spell it out correctly because you do not want this to be sent to another phone or another account. And then choose the platform that you're on and just go ahead and click on proceed. Now what this is going to do is basically going to search for your account. If you enter the name correctly, it should find your account without any problems, and it's going to ask you the amount of dice rolls you want to be added. So obviously I'm going to go ahead with the largest amount and then click on proceed. What this is going to do is basically going to it's going to start getting ready all of the dice rolls to be added to your account for completely free. So what this is going to do, it's going to require you to do only one more step, which I'll be showcasing you how to do it. And after that step, you should have the dice rolls automatically added to your account. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on verify now. And basically on this site, all you're going to have to do is complete 2 of the offers below to inject the basically mall menu files or the hack onto your Monopoly Go app. So what this means, guys, is go ahead and download 2 of the apps listed and run them for 30 seconds. So I'm going to show you how that looks like. If you click on inject and then click on next, it should take you to the original app store right here, where it's going to ask you to basically just download the game. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and download the first game right here. And as I said, you do need to download 2 apps or 2 games in order for this to work and play both of them for at least 30 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the original website and then click on the first app, inject right here, click on next. And what this is going to do, it's going to prepare me to download the second game as well. Now, as I said, you need to download 2 games or applications. They may be completely different to you than they are for me. It all depends on the region that you're located in, but don't worry, it's all the same. Just basically download 2, run them for 30 seconds, and you should have the dice rolls injected onto your account for completely free. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how this will look like as soon as both of these games download. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this part up just so you guys don't have to wait, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Okay guys, now I'm going to go ahead and open up the first game and basically show you how this looks like. All you're gonna have to do is just go ahead and run it for 30 seconds. It's as easy as that. Now this is not including loading screen time, so make sure you do not accept any of these, or you don't count the 30 seconds in this actual loading screen, because as I said, it won't be counted towards those 30 seconds. So all you're gonna have to do is basically just go ahead and play the game, or go ahead and pass the tutorial for completely free, which obviously it's going to be a free application. It's never going to give you an application that you have to pay for. As I said, it may be completely different to you than it is for me. For example, let's see what this game is asking me to do. For example, you may get like something like TikTok, or not necessarily a game, but an application, all you have to do is basically just make sure that you are playing the game for at least 30 seconds. Now, I think this is some sort of a matching game, so I'm gonna go ahead and match these little things right here and making sure that I'm spending enough time. Now, once 30 seconds have passed, I'm gonna go ahead and close the game, and then I'll just wait for this to finish and we move on to the next game. Alright guys, now that the game is finally installed after such a long wait, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Basically, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and just basically show you that the process is exactly the same for this as well, as it was with the first game, as it was with the first application, if you did have a different app to me. So I'm gonna go ahead and not continue with Apple. You don't need to continue with anything, you don't need to enable anything. All you need to do is just get into the game, complete the tutorial, or you don't even have to complete the tutorial. All you have to do is just make sure you are spending those 30 seconds as I mentioned before. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just basically go ahead and play through the tutorial right here. It's gonna ask me to tap on the flower to cut it down. I'm not sure what this game is about. It looks like some kind of farming game. I'm not 100% sure, but as you can see, I have no knowledge about this game, nor do I have to ever play this game ever again. All I have to do is just make sure that I'm spending enough time. Now, once about 30 seconds have passed, I'm gonna go ahead and close the game and just show you that if I go ahead and open up my original Monopoly Go app, obviously it's gonna open up it where I left it up in the shop. I'm gonna go ahead and click on the shop, and as soon as I give it 1 second, guys, as you can see, it should be added. 18,200 dice rolls should automatically be added to my account for completely free. As you can see, I now have 100,000 and 118,000 dice rolls for completely free. Now if you want more dice rolls, you can go ahead and repeat the step as many times as you like. Just go back, delete the games, and then download them once again, following everything from the very beginning. Now that is all for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.